Introduction. Routine medical checkup is going on at Karan's school. His teacher makes all the students of the class stand in the decreasing order of their heights. Karan wants to know if numbers can be arranged in a similar manner. He also wants to know if the arrangement can be reversed. In this lesson, you will learn to expand, arrange, and identify numbers. Grouping objects. Look at this bunch of flowers. There are 10 flowers in the bunch. We can make 2 groups, each consisting of 5 flowers. Look at this bundle of sticks. There are 12 sticks in the bundle. To make 4 groups, each bundle will have 3 sticks. We can similarly group other objects. 2-digit numbers. The numbers from 1 to 9 have only 1 digit each. Therefore, they are called single-digit numbers. The numbers from 10 to 99 have 2 digits each. Therefore, they are called 2-digit or double-digit numbers. Place values. Single digits numbers have only 1 digit at the ones place. 2-digit numbers have 1 digit at the ones place and another at the tens place. Number 5 has only 1 digit 5. It is at the ones place. Number 47 has 2 digits 4 and 7. 7 is at the ones place and 4 is at the tens place. Expansion of numbers. Let us break 2-digit numbers into tens and ones. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. It means there are 5 tens and 6 ones in 56. Similarly, 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. It means there are 3 tens and 9 ones in 39. Ascending and descending orders. Mohit's father climbed up the ladder to search for a book in the attic. He moved up from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 till step 10. He found the book. He climbed down the ladder from step 10 to step 9 to step 8 till step 1. Numbers can also be arranged in a similar way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. Greatest and smallest 1 or 2-digit numbers. The last 1-digit number is 9. It is the greatest 1-digit number. The first 2-digit number is 10. It is the smallest 2-digit number. The last 2-digit number is 99. It is the greatest 2-digit number. Ordinal numbers. Words like first, second, third, etc. are used to indicate positions. Such numbers are called ordinal numbers. There are 20 students in a class. Ayush's name is written first in the attendance register. Dhruv's name comes second. Seema's name is at the 10th position. 3-digit numbers. Numbers that have 3 digits in them are called 3-digit numbers. 100 is the first 3-digit number. It is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the last 3-digit number. Therefore, it is the largest 3-digit number. All the numbers between 100 and 999 are 3-digit numbers. 100 on abacus. Look at this abacus. It has 3 strings. Each string represents a position. The rightmost string represents the ones place, the next the tens place, and the leftmost the hundreds place. The beads in each string represent the value at each position. There are 3 beads in the hundreds string, 5 in the tens string, and 4 in the ones string. The number represents by the abacus is 300 plus 50 plus 4, which is equal to 354. Expansion of numbers. Let us break 2-digit numbers into tens and ones. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. It means there are 5 tens and 6 ones in 56. Similarly, 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. It means there are 3 tens and 9 ones in 39. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. 9 is the largest 1-digit number. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. 99 is the largest 2-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate position.